In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Mercuryo. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to hover over their logo, top left, and then you want to click on Buy Crypto at the very top, okay? This is going to take you to a separate page where you'll see this widget where you can go and buy your crypto. So, in here, you want to go and select what you want to pay with, and of course, how much you want to pay. I'm going to do 200, and I'm actually going to pick Euro over here. So let me find this. There we go, Euro. Of course, you can pick whatever currency you want. Here for the coin, you can switch from Bitcoin to whatever. I'm actually going to go for some Solana, and you can see how much you can get, and that's fine with me. So I'm just going to click on Buy, but if you click this, you can see your summary. So I'm going to hit the buy button, then you have to type in the wallet address for your crypto. So of course, depending on which wallet you have, the process here is going to be a bit different. I'm actually going to use MetaMask, and inside your wallet, you want to find the coin you're purchasing. I'm going to go with Solana. You want to click on it, and you want to get your receiving address. You can then copy it, paste it in here, and you can double check so it's actually correct. That's very important. And when you've done this, click on this continue button. And there we go. It's going to ask you, for the first time you do this, it's actually going to ask you for your email. So you're going to have to sign in and complete your age verification. It's super simple. And from here, you can select how you want to pay. I'm going to go with credit or debit card. You want to type in your details, and then from here, just select the transaction speed. You have standard or fast. The fast is going to cost you a bit more in fees. As you can see down here, you're going to get a bit less of Solana. So do whichever one you want. I'm going to go standard. Then when you've typed it in, hit this pay button down here, and you'll successfully pay, and you'll receive your crypto. Now, sometimes there may be some identity verifications required. So if that pops up, verify your identity or address or whatever, and then you'll be able to continue and buy your crypto. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.